Have you ever wondered what happens when different laws or rules seem to clash, especially between a local rule and a bigger national one? It can feel a bit like a legal traffic jam, right? Well, there is a core principle in American law that helps clear things up. Explained simply, the Supremacy Clause is a part of the United States Constitution that establishes federal laws and treaties as the supreme law of the land. This means that if a state or local law conflicts with a valid federal law, the federal law wins. The reason we have the Supremacy Clause is to ensure a unified and orderly legal system across the country. Without it, each state could potentially contradict federal policies, leading to chaos and an inability to govern effectively as one nation. It is found in Article 6, Clause 2 of the Constitution, and it is a foundational pillar ensuring that the federal government can carry out its enumerated powers without undue interference from the states. It helps maintain a balance, making sure national interests can be upheld even when local interests differ. So what does this mean for you? If you encounter a situation where a state or local regulation seems to contradict a federal statute, the federal law will generally take precedence. For instance, if the federal government passes a law regulating a certain pollutant and a state tries to pass a weaker law, the federal standard would apply. This principle, often referred to as preemption, means the federal law effectively overrides or preempts the state or local law. This concept of federal preemption is a powerful tool. It means that while states have significant power to create their own laws, they cannot create laws that undermine or directly conflict with legitimate federal authority. For example, federal food and drug regulations are supreme, meaning states cannot set different, conflicting standards for drug approval or food safety if the federal government has already acted. Ultimately, the Supremacy Clause ensures that the United States operates under a consistent legal framework on matters where federal authority is established. It is the constitutional referee, making sure that when federal laws are properly enacted, they stand as the highest authority. This creates predictability and consistency, allowing individuals and businesses to navigate the legal landscape with a clearer understanding of which rules ultimately apply.